Welcome to this explainer. Okay, today we're diving into a massive wellness trend, the Yoni egg. But it makes total sense that you'd be drawn to natural, empowering ways to connect with and care for your own body. We all want to reclaim control over our health. That's exactly why these alternative wellness trends have just exploded, especially on social media. We're all out here searching for solutions outside of a medical system that, let's be real, often leaves us feeling completely dismissed and unheard. So what's the deal with the Yoni egg? Basically, these are small, egg-shaped stones, usually carved from jade or quartz, designed to be inserted internally. And they're marketed with some truly massive promises, right? They claim they're going to strengthen your pelvic floor muscles, give you back control, boost sensation, and somehow even balance your hormones. Some of these gurus even tell you to keep the egg in place for hours while you just go about your day. Now, the marketing will tell you that constantly tightening and holding this egg inside you is the secret to getting stronger. But the clinical reality, it's a completely different story. A healthy pelvic floor is all about balance. Yes, absolutely, it needs the ability to contract, but it equally needs the ability to fully let go and relax and to seamlessly coordinate with your breathing and your daily movements. So here's a crucial takeaway for you. Pelvic health is not about constant tightening or holding. Just think about it for a second. You wouldn't walk around the grocery store all day flexing your bicep as hard as you possibly can, right? Your arm would be exhausted. Constantly gripping an internal stone completely disrupts normal muscle behavior. It messes with your breathing, your coordination, and your body's natural way of managing internal pressure. And this brings us to a huge misconception. A lot of women don't actually have weak pelvic floor muscles at all. Instead, their muscles are already way too tense. It's the condition clinicians call overactivity. When your pelvic floor is just locked in this constant state of tension, it triggers some incredibly frustrating symptoms. We're talking pelvic pain, trouble emptying your bladder or bowels, unexpected leaks, and really painful discomfort during intimacy. So think about the logic here. If your muscles are already holding way too much tension, adding an internal weight that literally forces you to constantly grip is only going to fan the flames and worsen those symptoms. It doesn't fix them. You're basically taking a muscle that is already overworked and exhausted and forcing it to pull a double shift. Beyond just reinforcing all that tension, there are some really concerning hidden risks here that the shiny Instagram ads conveniently leave out. For starters, a lot of these stones are porous. That means they can trap microscopic bacteria that's virtually impossible to clean out, which can introduce some pretty nasty infections into the vaginal environment. On top of that, relying on a DIY device like this really just delays you from getting a proper clinical assessment and the actual effective help you deserve. And this is why I say true empowerment does not come from a one-size-fits-all internet trend. Real empowerment comes from deeply understanding your own unique body. You shouldn't have to carry the burden of trying to self-treat complex neuromuscular issues without professional, evidence-informed guidance. You deserve care that's rooted in real anatomy and actual physiology, not just a trendy hashtag. Thankfully, there is a much safer, vastly more effective path forward. Specialist pelvic floor physiotherapy offers a clinical approach that relies on actual function rather than internet fads. It all starts with a super detailed assessment of your muscle tone and coordination. Then it moves into advanced evaluation and ultimately gives you a treatment plan that is 100% tailored to you. Unlike just guessing with a stone, clinical tools like specialized biofeedback give your physiotherapist a totally objective look at what your muscles are actually doing down there. It evaluates your muscle activity, how well you can actually relax, your endurance, and your coordination during everyday tasks. It literally takes the guesswork out of the equation because you get to see your own muscle activity right there on a screen in real time. It's a total game changer. Because absolutely no two pelvic floors are exactly the same, your treatment should be as unique as your fingerprint. For someone dealing with pelvic tension, treatment usually means targeted relaxation strategies, learning how to sync your muscles with your breath, and really working on regulating your nervous system. Strengthening exercises, those are only brought in when they are clinically appropriate for you, definitely not as some default Band-Aid fix. If you're looking for this kind of care, the physiotherapists over at OVA Women's Health specialize in exactly this type of advanced, education-based approach. They really understand the complex nuances of pelvic floor and sexual health conditions. And honestly, they approach your care with clinical precision, but also with an immense amount of respect for your actual lived experience. Now, if you're feeling a little nervous about taking that step, which is totally normal, by the way, you can expect a truly safe, welcoming environment at OVA Women's Health. Their appointments are completely private, wonderfully unhurried, and absolutely judgment-free. Your concerns are going to be taken seriously right from that very first confidential appointment, with the total focus on listening to you and supporting meaningful, lasting change in your body. Listen, you have been patient long enough, and you definitely do not need to figure this out all alone, relying on internet trends. Real specialist help is out there. Scanning the booking code you see here is a great first step toward lasting, evidence-based pelvic health with the amazing team at Ova Women's Health. So, as we wrap up our explainer today, I really want you to ask yourself this. Are you ready to truly understand your pelvic floor, rather than just constantly trying to tighten it? True health is all about balance, awareness, and responsiveness. You deserve to feel comfortable, balanced, and genuinely empowered in your own body using strategies that actually work for you. Thank you so much for joining me, and please take care of yourselves.